Before we dive into the technology, I'm wondering if you could please both just share a quick bit of what first drew you to digital transformation in manufacturing and why this space excites you today. Rajeev, why did you become first drawn to digital transformation in manufacturing?
Yeah. Actually, the transformation started with AAXIS deciding to specialize in digital transformation as a whole first. Initially, quite a bit in the B2C world, but for last 10 or 15 years, we saw the opportunity. We saw the lagging nature of manufacturing and B2B retail as well. And strategically, we decided to focus the company entirely around that. So yeah, decade and a half, the entire company is committed to learning and improving systems, customer experience, data, AI around those customers. Personally, we like because the challenges are exciting in the manufacturing space. Uh, Naresh, maybe you want to add a few more things?
I mean, there's so much value that manufacturers can get out of the current AI systems that we see that, and that excites me because we can actually provide value. We can reduce cost. We can reduce unnecessary human labor when you don't need to. Right? Why does a manufacturer have to go through a catalog of how many ever books to figure out what the defect is, what's happening? It can all be done very quickly, and humans can now focus on more value add, more meaningful tasks that that reduce cost and provide value for everybody.